Photos take up a lot of space in OneDrive, and duplicates or visually similar shots from events, trips, or batches of selfies can pile up fast. Today, we're using CloudDuplicateFinder.com to identify and remove visually similar photos in OneDrive efficiently. You can easily add your OneDrive or Google Drive over here, and it will show you all the folders that you have. Select the folders that you want to see duplicates in. You can either choose a similar match or an exact match. You can also choose what kind of scan level you want. So depending on the level, it will choose photos that are 50 to 90% similar. Let's go low for now and scan my OneDrive folder. The system has analyzed my file and it analyzes exact duplicates, visually similar images, slight variations like burst shots. It also looks at the content of your photos, not just the file names. So after scanning, you will see groups of similar photos. You can review each one and choose which images to keep and which to delete. So here is my group. I will just delete this one and then I will move it to recycle bin. Press confirm. Just one click and your OneDrive storage is freed up while your important photos remain intact. Manual cleanup is time consuming. Using smart filters and automated analysis saves time, keeps your OneDrive organized, and makes managing your photos effortless.